What's up guys? My name is Lindsay. Welcome to my channel. So on this channel I'll be making all different types of DIYs, anything you could want, clothing, home decor, all different stuff. So yeah, if you're interested you could subscribe, and I'll be posting one video a week every Thursday. I thought that since on this Sunday it's Mother's Day, that I would make some Mother's Day DIY gifts, because what mom doesn't like a good homemade gift? So you guys can make them super easily. There's going to be 3 gifts total and we will make them together. So if you're interested, keep watching and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what you're going to need is some Sculpey's oven baked clay. I ended up only using 2 packages for this. You're also going to need some paintbrushes, one that's really thin and one that's a little thicker, and then some ceramic paint and Mod Podge. Make sure you get gloss finish Mod Podge. Then you'll also need a rolling pin, some poppy seeds, and some ink stamps from the dollar store. So you're going to want to cut up your clay. I just cut along the lines that the clay already had, and then kind of squish them together and roll them up into a ball form. Once you have that, you're going to roll it out with your rolling pin into a flatter circle. Flip it and roll the other side. You're going to want to make sure that the thickness is about 1/4 inch, because if it's too thin, it won't be good for baking. Then put on your poppy seeds, put as many as you like, and this time just roll the rolling pin really lightly because you don't want to press too hard. On the other side, I didn't put as many poppy seeds because I wanted to leave a little space in the middle for where I'm going to put my word. So you can do that too, or you can fill it up. It's up to you. Then you're going to take your stamps and you're going to cut out the letters that you want to use. I'm spelling the word spoon. After that, you're going to place them onto your circle to sort of gauge how big it will be, and then you're just going to want to push them lightly into your clay. I used a toothpick just to put a little period at the end. Use a circle dish to make a circle on your clay and cut out all the excess clay with a butter knife. After that, smooth out all the edges. Use an oven-safe bowl and put your clay inside. Push it along the edges to give it the form of the bowl. Next, we're going to cut out a small piece of the clay because that's where the spoon is going to rest and where the handle will be able to come out. Then smooth down the edges of where you cut. Now it's time to bake the clay. So follow the instructions on your clay package. I'm putting mine to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to cook it for 13 minutes. Once it's done, take it out and make sure it cools fully before you take it out of the bowl. Now use the ceramic paint, I chose black, to paint the inside of your stamp, and then afterwards design however you'd like. I painted the edges. Use Mod Podge to coat the front and back of your spoon rest. And you're done! For this next DIY, you'll need some wood glue, a disposable cup, some wire you can bend, I used 20 gauge, and then whatever nail polish colors you like. Next, cut your wire and make sure one side is a little bit longer than the other, and use a highlighter to make a loop by twisting your wire around it. That will be the flower petal. Repeat that to make 4 more petals. Then wrap the wire around the middle of the flower to center it. Now you're going to take the 2 long wires and twist them around each other to make the stem of the flower. Cut off the excess wire. Then pinch the loops you made and round them out with the highlighter. Now you're going to want to dip the flower into the wood glue, and it should create sort of a layer over the holes, but since mine was really old, I had to use my finger to do that part. To To let them dry, I just taped them on the top of a juice container so that they could drip down. So once they're dry, you're going to paint them with one layer of nail polish, and then when that layer dries, you'll paint them with a second coat. Once the second coat dries, you're all done. Okay, so for this last one, it's super easy. Anyone can do this. You can do this on your way to your mom's house, literally. So all you need is like some sort of vase or glass. It could be any type of thing. Just a glass. And then you're gonna get some stickers that are like clear, so they could have designs on them or whatever, as long as it's not a white background, because that kind of wouldn't look so good. So I just realized that that comes off, so yeah. Okay, cool. So now we're gonna choose a sticker. I'm choosing this sticker. It says Family Forever for Always, No Matter What, and it has a little tree, which I just thought would be cute because I think she'll put it outside maybe. So yeah. So I'm gonna just literally get the corner really on there. There we go. Okay. Peel off the sticker, and then I'm just gonna put it as straight as possible on here. Oops. And smooth it. Boom, all done. That looks like you just bought it for so much money. So yeah, that was like $4 from the dollar store, max, maybe $3. And it looks awesome. So yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these DIYs, and I hope your mom does too, or whoever you're making them for. And if you end up making one, please comment, and then I can see what you guys made and what you guys liked. Alright, thanks so much. See you next week.